How to auto-caption in Pictory. Pictory is an AI-powered tool that can automatically generate captions and subtitles for videos from scripts or articles. Maybe you have a script or even a video. I will tell you how to auto-caption in Pictory. For script, click on Script to Video. Now, here you have to paste your script. This is my script, and I want Pictory add these as caption in my video. Click on this option to continue. Pictory.ai will automatically add the script I added as a caption on the video it generated, easily. You just need to paste your script. Now maybe you want to add one extra sentence between these sentences. You can do like this. And in this way you can have more edits and customization. And here for the sentence you added, you can choose a footage, or even you can upload your own image or video if you want. Anyways, you can do too many edits from this section, and after all, you can download your video with captions. Now, maybe you have a video and need an auto caption for it. Click on Edit Video with AI option here. Now, upload your video in this part. As your video is uploaded, Pictory's advanced AI engine transcribes the video. This feature of Pictory is perfect for webinars, demos, e-learning, video podcasts, and any videos for YouTube or other social media platforms. Now, this is your time to edit and customize. Correct errors in transcription. You can even make this video more shorter if you choose some highlight words from here. It is up to you that you want the whole video or short form. I just showing to you how you can make auto caption in this AI. By the way, you can use the link in the description for 14 days trial account and use this coupon code to get 20% discount on each plan and save more money. After all edit and customization, click on this option for more edits if you want. Or you can download it if it is okay for you. This is the exact page I explained before.